Hi guys, it's Lindsay, aka Makeup and Mobility, a channel where we like to focus on makeup and disability advocacy. If you like that idea, please stick around and subscribe and hit that notification bell, that way you're notified every time I upload a new video. Also, watch this video until the very end because it helps out with my YouTube algorithm watch time. I greatly appreciate it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below because I want to interact with you guys. Today's video is going to be a Ulta haul for 2026. I had a gift card from Christmas, so I spent that gift card, and I'm going to show you what I got. The first thing I got is this Essence Baby palette, Ice Baby palette. It's a blue monochromatic palette. I love it. This is what I took on my trip with me to Oklahoma City and Edmond, and I just love it so much. Essence has amazing quality eyeshadows. I'm so excited for what they're going to release in February. Then I picked up new products from e.l.f. I picked up this e.l.f. Halo Glow Silky Touch Powder Highlighter in the shade Prosecco Poppin'. I'm wearing this today on my skin. You guys can see it on my skin. I love it so much. This has been my everyday highlighter for me, and I haven't been highlight lately, but I'm into this. So this is nice. It's supposed to be an alternative to the Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez powder highlighter formula, which I have not tried, so I don't know how it compares, but this is only $9, and I think it's a good highlighter. I wanted the shade Soft Pearl Era, but I ended up with the shade Prosecco Poppin'. I might go back and get me a Soft Pearl Era. Then we have the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Concealer. This is a concealer. I have it in the shade Fair Warm. This is what the applicator looks like on it. I love this concealer. It's a nice, lightweight, medium coverage concealer. As you can see, I have it on today, and it covered up my pimples and everything. I love this concealer. The foundation is one of my favorites. Again, I have this in the shade Fair Warm, and I really like this so far. It's possibly becoming one of my new favorite concealers. And then we have the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lipsticks in the shades Mob Mentality, which I'm wearing today on my lips, and the shade Caramel, which I've worn recently, but I will wear it in a video coming up soon, so you guys can see it on. And then the last product we have is actually a product that I did not purchase, but I got from a friend of mine. It's the e.l.f. Cream Glide Lip Liner in the shade Mauve Aside. This is her favorite drugstore lip liner, and I've heard really good things, so I'm excited to try it. Again, it's in the shade Mauve Aside. And there you go. There is the end of the video, and I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week ahead of you. And I love you guys. Fun Beauty and Advocacy. Keep rolling on.